My name is John Babcock, and I'm CEO of Satellite Industries in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Satellite's a global manufacturer of sanitation equipment. So we make portable restrooms, service trucks, cleaning chemicals, deodorizers, trailers, quite a wide range of products that all go into the industry that services portable sanitation. We're a 60-plus-year-old company, operate in 125 countries for sales, and we've got brick and mortar in over 10 countries worldwide. So quite a expansive, complex business relative to our size. At first, working with an overseas partner, there were some concerns on our side whether that would work out. And in fact, it's actually turned out to be quite an asset for us. Most of our complexity resides in our non-US operations, the multi-currency, multi-language, multi-jurisdiction. And so having a non-US centric partner has really opened up the possibilities with us in order to make our system truly a global system. We've been using the Sage X3 ERP solution for quite a long time, and our biggest challenge has been growth and complexity. And Inixion's been a partner in helping manage that for us for quite a while as well. Relative to our size, we're fairly complex. We operate in many fiscal jurisdictions, multi-language, multi-currency, over 10 acquisitions in the last 15 years. And so our challenge has been, how do we grow and scale the business and have our functionality keep up with all the new products, services, locations that we're rolling out worldwide. And so eventually we grow to a point where the software provider can't provide as much intimacy and knowledge of who we are in order to not only help us grow and help the software keep up with us, but not to destroy what we've built as well. So we've got to protect the old, build the new, and make sure that they work together. And that's where Inixion's come in as our partner. We have a lot of plans for the future, both with the Sage X3 ERP product and Inixion. Growth is inherent in our DNA. So one thing I do know is that we will keep growing, we will keep expanding, we'll keep adding products and services, divisions, acquisitions. And so our roadmap for the future is really making sure that the software and our partner are able to scale up with us. And we're really pleased with where we've come so far, and we're optimistic in the future that that will continue along that path. So the true test of any robust ERP system and any partner that we partner with to support that system is in its ability to serve the company. And when COVID hit, we doubled the size of our company in 1 year. And if the system weren't flexible, if it weren't scalable, if it weren't designed to be what we wanted, it would have been brought to our knees. And so between scaling ourselves up, leveraging Inixion to put in all of the functionality that we needed to keep that growth propelled, to me is a testament that we've got the right software and the right partner behind it to support us. So one interesting dynamic in our business is that a lot of our growth has been in what we call the consumables business. And so where our average transaction size was X, in the consumables, that same amount of revenue has 10X the amount of orders behind it. So we've seen our order volume processing through the system literally increase almost tenfold over the last 3 years. And so we're a lot busier transacting the same amount of revenue that we had in past, which is about double of what we had in prior years. So it's thrown quite a challenge at us in keeping up with the dynamics of how we generate our revenue and all the inventory, which is, doubled, sales orders, which have multiplied tenfold, employees have doubled. The amount of interface with the system has just exploded exponentially, and that's been quite a challenge to manage. The system and the partner behind it with Inixion has kept us moving along the way we should. We have a major project planned for the Sage X3 system and Inixion coming up here, which is the upgrade to the next version. And this is going to touch every aspect of our company. And so it's an undertaking that we're prepared for. We've been preparing for a year, and we're just about to embark on it. And we're looking forward to not only the added functionality, but all the great things that Inixion is going to leverage for us to become a better company in our processes.